Video sa picture. Ganda ng ano mo dyan. Wala na? Andun sa dulo. So, ayun guys, at this point, papasok na ako sa studio and nahuli akong pumasok because dinaan ko muna yung luggage ko at yung SM na eco bag ko sa front desk kasi nga nagpaalam ako na iwan doon since galing pa ako ng MOA and galing pa ako ng Baguio. So, pagkapasok, nilagay ko lang yung gamit ko and then stretching right away. The whole time guys, ng dance class na to, I was so bangag. Kasi nga, pagod na pagod pa ako from biyahe galing Baguio, galing Pangasinan. And then, gumala pa ako ng MOA, busog na busog ako. And pagod na pagod ako, gusto kong matulog. So, literally, lutang na lutang ako. And then, pagkapasok ko sa studio, I was just following whatever they were doing. Hindi na siya nagsisink in sa utang ko. Kasi at the same time nga, like, I've been wanting to do this. And parang starstruck ako na yung mga coach na nakikita ko lang online ay nakita ko na sila in person. So that's what I felt that time. I'm not quite sure guys how long it took for the class to finish. I think almost 2 hours, but one thing is for sure, I'll definitely join a dance class with them again in the future pag nakabalik ako ng Manila because it was such an experience, literally. Like, I was so happy even though hindi ako nakasunod, even though hindi ko masyadong like natandaan yung lahat ng mga steps, but I was just happy to be there and I was just so happy to witness the great dancers, the good dancers that I've been seeing online na. So, don't expect any video of my runs kasi wala. I mean, I have, but I'm not gonna show it kasi sobrang epic fail. And by the way guys, if nakikita niyo yung sumasayaw dyan sa video, that's yung nasa unahan, that's Laika from Manila. If you know, sa TikTok na sa concert ni Neo and pinakya siya sa stage and sumayaw siya doon. So that's her.
Papapat mamalan.
Luto na agad?
Ay, naluto na sa. Yes! Abilis lang yan, madam!
Huh?
Ayan, luto na yan. Sunod iganon, no?
Okay, nagpapagiling-gila siya.
Sabi niya, ayaw yan ng pinipigil.
Ganyan, madam. O, yung kalabasan. Hindi, wala yung may-ari dito. Kami lang.
Kayo. Hindi pala silang may-ari.